that that which is after it will be worse than it.
Yeah.
It's moved downhill, things have naturally moved uphill, and we are far now from the Asr Sa'ada, from the age of prophecy, the age of the Khulafa, the age of the great Sufis, those miracle ages. This is an age in which shadows are lengthening, the autumn of mankind is upon us, and in this time we need to be merciful. We need to be people who are followers of the one who has sent Rahmatan lil Alameen. Human beings in this time are unhappy, confused, selfish, lonely. This is a time of outward wealth and inward poverty. Whereas the believer, by his nature, tends to favour things the other way round. The Prophet no gold or silver coin ever spent the night in his house. A man of poverty, a man who prayed to be resurrected amongst the Masakin, but inwardly, what wealth? Treasures beyond counting, beyond imagining, treasures that continue from his fayadan to spill out to the receptive ones of the Ummah to this day, to this majlis and beyond, inshallah. May Allah give us some share in that fayl. But nowadays, outward wealth and inward poverty, outward health, inward sickness. We may work out several times a week, but we are heart sick. And so many people are on antidepressants, and the world seems to be full of cloudy horizons. But the believer knows, first of all, that this is all part of Allah's schedule, the time and space, and looks for whatever is positive.
Yeah.
The nafs looks around for whatever is ugly like itself. So it scans the TV channels and sees whatever is ugliest, and the nafs is attracted to that. And we all have that within us. So we often look at the worst things in other people. What is the fault that I can find in this person? What is wrong with this? What is I don't like about that institution or government? This is the nafs.
No.
But the ruh is from the divine beauty. The ruh loves to see beauty. That is its food. So if we're people of ego, we will just be unhappy looking at ugliness. If we're people of ruh, we will want to see whatever is beautiful in every situation. Every person, we will see the best in that person. It could be a neighbour, it could be a spouse, it could be a parent, it could be a university teacher, it could be anything. The believer naturally sees what is best and therefore is happy. Nobody is unhappy when they see beauty. So this is what we have to do. Even in this time of difficulty, we have to see what is still good in people. We have to see what is still lovely in God's world. We have to be grateful. We have to be shakireen. Otherwise we'll be as depressed as everybody else. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls us to the abode of peace. And He wishes us to be su'adat. This is وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا. He is told, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, say to people what is most beautiful. We have to do this as well. In every situation, find the most beautiful thing to say. That is why adab is important. And of course, the people of Java, famously people of adab. Allah has given them this fadila, which is a prophetic fadila. He says, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, أَجْتَبَنِي رَبِّي فَأَحْسَنَ تَأْدِيبِي. The courtesy of the traditional, gracious, aristocratic Arabian host is a beautiful thing to see. And wherever that adab is to be found in the Ummah, there is something of the blessings and the presence of the Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's not a little thing. So we need to be merciful. We need to see what is best. We need to be hopeful, and we need to be courteous. We need to be people of politeness. Inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us people of ihsan, people who accept Allah's decree, and people who are content with Allah's decree.